So our customers that are actually using the product in live, they're using production right now, things that they're saying about the product, many things that we've been able to glean are business outcomes. So fewer deviations, fewer quality problems, just better insight and productivity. The thing that resonates with me on a personal level is our customers say that our operators, our users, want to use the system. When they don't have access to the system, they're asking, when can I get it, as the customer is going through the pilot process. So to me, that really resonates more on a personal level. And yes, we have unbelievable business outcomes and improvements, but to see the impact that it has on the users on a day-to-day basis, it's really heartwarming for me.